This is how to withdraw money from Moomoo. So once Moomoo is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar and select on the accounts icon. Once you're here at the top where it says assets, orders, history, and transfers, make sure you go ahead and select transfers. Once you're here, the second option down says withdraw. Go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can select the currency that you want to withdraw. So because I'm in Canada, I'll just go ahead and select Canadian dollars, but you can also do this in US dollars. Once it's here, you can then select the method in which you want to withdraw money. So you can do an EFT transfer or an electronic funds transfer, or you can do a wire transfer. Either one is going to work. So for this example, I will just do an EFT transfer. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and select your account. So in my case, my cash account, and then you can go ahead and select a bank account by pressing on add bank account. And then once you add it, you can complete the withdraw that way. So that is how to withdraw money from Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and I hope this helps.